Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make okra or lady finger. So let's make the ingredients for making okra or lady finger are: I've taken 2 medium size cut onion, then I've taken 2 medium sized tomatoes, I've taken 2 small chilies, green chilies. It's all up to you. If you want to have it, then you can add it, or it's optional. If you don't want, then you can't include it. These are the spices. I've taken half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and just a quarter teaspoon of Currum seed. So let's start cooking. You can see in a pan I've taken almost 150 ml of oil and I've added okra in it, and now I'm frying it just for a little while. So after frying for about 5 minutes, you can see I'll be adding the ingredients, different ingredients in it. I'll add all the spices, onion, and tomatoes in it. So I'm adding all the ingredients. I'll mix it. It's a relatively simple, what we can say, jhatpat recipe, really quick recipe. So all the efforts are just taken in cutting the okra into the desired size, and that's it. So whenever you have very little time, you just plan to cook it. So I'll mix it, and then I'll be cooking it on a very low flame. So now after cooking for about 10 more minutes on a very low flame, now you can see it's done. How to check it's done? Just take a small piece and push it. When it splits, so it means it's done. So tasty okra are ready to be served. Enjoy. Bye.